Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another great product. Well, I hope it's great anyway. It is a blood pressure arm electronic blood pressure monitor. So I've got it all unboxed here. The company is AILIP, AILIP, and we're going to give this thing a shot here. So it does come with a power cord that you can plug it directly into a wall with a power strip, and you don't need batteries. Or you can put batteries in the back. And since I'm not really close to a plug-in strip, I'm going to go ahead and put some batteries in it for the purposes of this video. The batteries do not come with it, though, just so you know. Batteries, right? Yeah, AAA batteries. But you don't have to have batteries. You can just plug it into a power strip with a power head like a regular telephone C connection. Well, it comes with the cord. You just need the power head. Just shut her up. Just make sure that turns on. Yep. All right. I read the instructions. The instructions are very good. So all you do is you take your blood pressure monitor cuff. I mean, if you've done this a few times in your life, which probably if you're buying this, you probably have. Maybe you haven't. So you take this, you plug it into the unit. And generally speaking, you want a bare arm or a very light shirt, but I always like to do it bare arm. And you usually want the hose going down your forearm. For the best measuring. So you want the hose going down your forearm. Yep. And then you tighten it up. So you've got your cuff on your arm. You've relaxed for a few minutes. And then we're going to turn this on.
Keep quiet and relax. Please keep the cuff at the same height with your heart. Measuring over. Your blood pressure is systolic pressure 125 millimeters of mercury. Diastolic pressure 77 millimeters of mercury. Your pulse is 58 beats per minute. Measuring result is normal.
I'm normal. And isn't that nice to know? So wouldn't it be nice to have a blood pressure kit at home to know where you're at? To be able to tell your doctor. And this actually logs your daily blood pressure measurements. You can actually take this unit in and your doctor can just page through your blood pressure checks. You don't have to write anything down. It will actually take if you have batteries in it, it will keep the memory for you, and your doctor can just flip through those and check your daily blood pressure measurements for you, and you don't have to write them down. So go out and get your AILIP at home blood pressure monitoring kit.